Hello everyone and welcome to 4J Media Live for May 1st, 2019, and today we're going to talk about how to get started with Microsoft Excel. So, join me right now and let's learn about Microsoft Excel. Let's do it. Alright, so we're inside my dashboard here. I'm going to click on Excel and you can see right here, new blank workbook. I'm going to click on that and you can see we pretty much have the entire package of Microsoft Excel at our fingertips inside the web browser. Now, one of the reasons why I have that is because I don't have this installed on my desktop yet, so I'm just working in the cloud. And I actually just prefer to work in the cloud because then I don't have to install anything and take up hard drive space. I can literally do everything I need to do right on the cloud without having to fiddle with downloading stuff, which I think is fantastic. I used to believe that you should download everything and install it, but since they've improved the experience of the cloud-based software, it's getting better and easier to use, and things are more stable. I think it's better just to use it in the cloud. So I'm going to go through some of the menus here and just give you a brief introduction to Excel. And here's the thing. On Udemy, I'm going to be adding a course called How to Get Started with Excel, the Complete Master Course. And what it's going to do is it's going to show you how to get started from beginner to master, and I will show you all the tools you need. It's the one-stop shop course that you need to watch and listen to learn how to use Microsoft Excel, and it will make your skills so much better, and it will make it so much easier to do what you need to do with Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's go to our file menu here. We're going to hover over info real quick, and you can open it in Excel if you have it installed, which I do not. So this feature does not work. You can protect the workbook, which means always open, read only to prevent accidental change by asking readers to opt in to editing. Now this is kind of a safety feature that they have, so that if you have multiple people editing documents and you don't want someone making changes, it's read only. And then you have to click edit in order to edit the document. Now, I think that's very smart to do, but it's totally up to you and to your company what they want to do. I highly recommend doing this, but again, some people don't do that. So if you click new, they'll show you a blank workbook you can select, or you can select from the templates that they have. If you hit open, these are previous documents that I made. We can save as, and so I'm going to save that right now, and we're going to call this test Excel doc, and I'm going to hit save. And so now I've saved that, and it's the same as Word. If you click up here and you just change this to test doc and hit enter, it'll save the document right there. So you don't need to do much to save the document, which is fantastic. So inside the file menu, you can do print, share, about, and help. So if I click on share, we can share with people. We can embed this document in a blog or a website. If you really wanted to, you could do that. And it's pretty easy to do. The home menu here, the home button, has the undo, paste, cut, copy, format. This is the clipboard, so undo is a separate little menu, and clipboard is a separate little menu. And then we have font, so you have all the font options. Alignment, you have number, so you can format it by the different values, percentages, etc., etc. Conditional formatting, format as a table, tables, cells, you can insert, delete, and format, auto sum, clear, etc., etc. So those are all the menus that they have for the home button. If you go to insert, you can do functions, so you can insert a function. You can add forms, table, pivot table, picture shapes. So here's some of the shapes that they have. You can do add-ins, column, line, pie, bar, area, scatter, other charts, hyperlink, and comment. So these are all different inserts you can add to the Excel doc. Data, refresh selected connection, refresh all connections, calculate workbook, sort, ascending, descending, filter. Sort and filter is an option. Data tools, so flash fill, data validation, group, ungroup, outline is another menu area. Review, you can do accessibility checker. You can add a comment, delete a comment, look at the previous comment, next comment, or show comments. And then view is our final one, which is editing view, reading view, freeze pans, headings, grid lines. So show, grid lines, headings, freeze pans, reading view, editing view. So that's really the gist of Excel in terms of menu and functionality. So that's all I have for today. But again, like I said before, I'm going to have a course called the How to Get Started with Excel, the complete course. And this will show you from start to finish how to become an expert in Excel, from beginner to master, basically. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.